In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar links to your Mailchimp emails. This process is quick and easy, and I'm here to guide you through every step, ensuring your recipients never miss out on your event details. Now let's dive right into it. To kick things off, the first step we need to address is creating a calendar event. For this, we will be using Google Calendar, a tool that's widely used for its functionality and ease of access. So go ahead and open your Google Calendar. It's important to choose the date on which you want to schedule your event. Simply click on your desired date within the calendar view. This action will open up a new event window. Now that you have your new event window open, take a moment to fill in all the necessary details. This includes the event's title, the specific date and time, the location, and importantly, a brief but clear description of what the event is about. Adding these details ensures that anyone who receives your invitation knows precisely what to expect and when to expect it. Once you've confirmed all these details are correct and complete, the next step is crucial. Save your event and be sure to get that shareable link. This link is what you will use to connect the event to your Mailchimp email, so make sure to copy it carefully. With your calendar link in hand, it's time to transition over to Mailchimp, where we'll add this link to your email campaign. Log into your Mailchimp account and go ahead and create your email campaign if you haven't already. Once that's set up, access the email editor within your Mailchimp dashboard. Inside the email editor, you'll have the option to add different elements to your email. Look for the possibility to add a button or hyperlink, which is where we're going to incorporate that calendar event link you previously copied. Once you've decided on using either a button or hyperlink, insert the calendar link right into the designated field. This action will embed the link into your email, allowing recipients to easily access your event details with just one click. Before wrapping things up, it's a good practice to put yourself in your recipient's shoes. Head over to the preview section within Mailchimp and take a moment to test your email. Check that the calendar link functions correctly and directs you to the intended event details. This step ensures everything is working smoothly and that your recipients will have no trouble accessing your event through the email link. There you have it, a straightforward method to effectively add calendar links to your Mailchimp emails. By following these steps, you ensure your audience stays informed and engaged with your events. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.